Hi, and welcome to a short video in which I'm going to show you how you can access all of your needed weather information from your OneLaunch software application. We at the OneLaunch software team know how important getting your weather information as often as you need it is in order to plan your day and to prepare for what Mother Nature throws at you on a daily basis. So we've made it very easy to get access to weather information from our application. We've actually given access from 3 different spots that I'll show you today. The first is from your OneLaunch dashboard, which you can access quickly top left on your OneLaunch dock from the OneLaunch icon. Opening it up, you'll immediately see here on the left the basic current weather information for your location that you've got set in the OneLaunch dock settings. So we're seeing here for New York, 76 degrees Fahrenheit, and I want to immediately show you where you can change that location and just share a bit about that functionality in OneLaunch. So by default, when you install OneLaunch, we will detect your location for the purposes of giving you phenomenal weather results for your location. But if you'd like to turn that off, you're able to here from the OneLaunch dashboard settings. So in my case, I actually had turned off location detection, but I'll show you turning it back on now. So when you turn it back on, close this, I'll go back to my OneLaunch dashboard. You see that I'm in Saanich, and you can see that the weather, of course, is different in Saanich than New York. But again, if you would prefer not to have us detect your location for you to give you up-to-date weather results for your location, you can choose your own location to get weather results for. So I turned it off, and I'll change it back to New York. Again, closing the settings, heading back to the dashboard, and you can see that real-time update to New York, and of course, again, the weather change. We've chosen to partner with AccuWeather to provide us all of the weather information in the different spots of the OneLaunch app. So that's why you'll see a lot of AccuWeather references throughout OneLaunch. As I click through, we can always get more weather information from our partner AccuWeather. And you'll note that all of the links regarding weather from the OneLaunch dock do by default always open in your custom OneLaunch Chromium browser. So that's the first spot. The second spot is through your weather app here. If it's not already pinned, you're going to be able to find it here, gray plus button, to get your apps marketplace, and we'll be able to pin it as you just saw me do. So the weather app just offers a much more robust set of information for your weather needs. We've got some great quick links, we've got a 3-day forecast, and just a lot more information in general than the OneLaunch dashboard. So if you really like to know more about weather, I recommend you pinning the weather application to your OneLaunch dock. And again, for example, this pollen report, if you click through, it does indeed open a OneLaunch Chromium with our partner AccuWeather. So here's the pollen report from AccuWeather. And then the last and final spot to check the weather quickly from OneLaunch is from this icon here. We call it the quick weather feature or the quick link to weather. This icon actually changes dynamically based on the current weather. So the icon will show rain or sun or snow if that is indeed the case for the location we're checking for you. Even the temperature itself dynamically changes here in red as the day goes on. So as I click it, you'll see that we're still checking for New York, and you'll see that that red 76, well, it's not perfectly matching right now, usually it does, but it is matching closely what the weather currently is for New York. So those are the 3 spots to check the weather from OneLaunch. The OneLaunch dashboard, here, the weather application that you can pin, and then the quick link weather feature from top right on your OneLaunch dock. We hope that this totally covers all of your day-to-day weather information needs, and we hope you continue to enjoy OneLaunch. Thank you very much.